Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do gesture control with my drone. So let's get started. Press twice to turn it on. Now you can see the lights are like blinking. That means the drone is on. Now I will show you how to do palm takeoff. Twice. Now you can see lights are green. Here you can see I'm controlling drone with my palm. It feels like I got superpower. I will wait for 2 seconds so that drone was 3 meters away from me. Now drone will follow me. Now I will take a picture from my drone like this. So here is the click that was taken from drone. Raise your hand to 45 degrees so it will take a video. Now I started taking my video. Now I will show you how to bring drone back to yourself. So do like this. It should automatically come to you. Now I'm gonna do palm landing. So today I'm with my team. I hope you like my video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell button so that you will get the notification for my latest videos. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you.